And it is Wednesday, December something, right before Christmas break, anyways. But Dad has been working all day here in the shop, and
I cut this sheet this morning,
yeah,
but of course I need help to put it on.
okay,
So he came, and it's all tacked on now.
yeah,
I'll take this shit off tomorrow.
okay. Did you get all the power steering installed?
Oh, that's all good.
Okay,
And I got a little sliver here to weld in
yeah,
to finish it. And we'll sand the whole works, and then I'll open the front.
okay.
But we're all day on it.
So what's this here?
Well, my guy is shaking,
Yeah,
and he hasn't got enough power to hold it.
okay.
So I weld this on, put a bar on so he can put it down.
Oh, okay. So you've got a handicapped accessory on there that you have to build. So this looks really nice, guys. Yeah, November 7th they started. It's the 18th or something like that, I think. I don't know.
Today is the 18th.
18th. So in 5 weeks' time, this is what they've gotten done. And Dad is still body putting and sanding there. But with the new piece up on here,
Can't sand anymore or finish until that one's finished.
yeah, this one's all wrapped up again.
Cleaned and wrapped up, ready for paint this weekend.
Okay, so our body putty and painting guy is going to come back this weekend. That's all cleaned up again and wrapped. And so Dad can't go any further on this until that's done. And hopefully our guy gets that done this weekend. So, yeah, so chilly days here. And
Fix this up with wood.
yeah, well, so Dad's got more wood again. It was coming down to the wire here, and I was actually starting to get a little bit worried that I'd have to start doing this. Not that I didn't want to do it, it's just didn't have it on the schedule for any time soon here. But yeah, this is lots of effort being done here, and we'll check in with Dad tomorrow and find out what he does get done. Only got a couple more days here, guys, and we got to go to Edmonton. So that is the video for today. Might even splice this with another video from tomorrow. Oh, it's Thursday, I think the 19th, and looks like Dad has managed to reclaim some of the workshop space here. He's got the vacuum out, and he's just mudding on the front here right now, and probably spent the day cleaning. He's got the vacuum cleaner out, but we'll pull around to the front here. Freezing cold today. It's like minus 25, and it feels like minus 40 outside. And Dad is doing his mudding here, and he's
all welded in now, just mudding in the joints.
okay. So this is what he's been working on all day. He had that extra piece from yesterday he had to put in. Looks like it's pretty seamless there. And yeah, so he's continuing on here. We'll check in with him to see if he had any visitors today. He actually had quite a few yesterday. Any visitors today?
Peter was out for half an hour.
Okay, well, so he did his...
He helped me here a bit, and then I told him if he's got other things to do, go.
Okay,
And little Randy dropped out,
okay. What's new with Randy?
brought me a bottle of gin.
Oh, good. Well, everybody's in the festive spirit here.
Seems to be
The dogs are all in here. They,
against their will, though.
against their will, they've been... Daisy and Emily, they like outside, and I don't like them being outside, but they want to be outside, these res dogs of mine. Here's Charlie. He doesn't know quite what to do here. All these peckerheads are going to go next door to Charlie's actual parents for tomorrow. And we're taking a couple of days off here to go see my sister and my niece and my brother-in-law out in Alberta. And these guys are hopefully getting taken care of. I'm going to, yeah.
After they had breakfast, they all went out.
Okay. So what's the other update here other than mudding and painting? Just that?
Well, the front had to be finished and all welded in.
Okay.
And all the bending it all.
Okay.
There, you got it.
Well, it's the final few hours here for the Christmas season in the shop. And old dog is sacked out. Hi, Charles. Dad and Peter are working on the 75, the snow 75. And looks like Dad's got it all opened up. And they'll probably have the door installed in the new year here. There's the cutout door there. They're going to reinstall that. Our body man was in here with the 79 last night, and he was doing some sanding and painting on the doors here and on the 79. So looks like they're just clipping everything into place here. How's Peter doing today? And Dad's got the bar in behind here right now.
Get the door cut.
Yeah.
Just want to see that cut.
So
Finding time for these dogs to take a few trips.
yeah. So Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog and Filipino Emily took off this morning, and we can't leave until they show back up. So I might have to give them a call outside.